Voilà, marhaba, welcome in our paradise. My name is Christine, I'm the owner here of this wonderful place, and I'm happy to welcome you here. We have on our left-hand side our 2-hectare field of saffron, and please be not disappointed because actually there is nothing to see on the left-hand side because the saffron harvest everywhere in the world is always in autumn. That means even if it's a crocus, it's a half a year of difference to the crocuses we are used to see flowering in spring in Europe, for example. So outside the harvest time or period, we have on the right-hand side, sorry, our peacocks, Mr. Roberto. We have on our right-hand side our wonderful botanical garden to discover with about 200 different kind of plants. We have first our wonderful rosemary hedge, lemon fruit trees, medicinal plants, exotic fruit trees, and our goal is that everybody, every visitor can rub and smell the taste of our plants. All is in organic quality and labeled in 3 languages. The whole is a roundabout, and once you have enjoyed the wonderful space down there where you can sit, enjoy the silence. You come back on the other side, and this is then the favorite of our guests, the barefoot trail. Don't miss it. Be courageous. Take off your shoes, walk on different natural materials, and at the end we have then over there Kneipen, that means pots with ice cold water with medicinal plants, so you can sit and move from one to the next. At the end you will find your shoes, which you have taken away to help you, and argan oil and towels, wellness for your feet. So in our wonderful garden, you can also enjoy our saffron menu. It's only in for lunch because we close at 4 o'clock. So if you wish to come here for lunch, please make a reservation. And the menu we are offering, we only have a small kitchen over there, but all our Berber ladies are making our food daily fresh. For example, we have the delicious tafanut bread, the Berber fladenbrot with anise, sesame, cumin, black cumin, thyme, rosemary, and saffron with olives prepared from us with spices from the garden. Then the first entry is our Moroccan salad with fresh spices. Fresh spices from the garden, followed by a little vegetable green soup with saffron, and then our delicious saffron rice with 2 tagines. One is with the vegetables, with the famous oriental spice ras el hanout, and the second one, the delicious beef with caramelized prunes and with sesame. And then we'll follow a little dessert, and afterwards we will serve you our herbal tea with 10 plants from the garden, all with saffron. No green tea, no black tea, no sugar, just enjoy the plants. There are 2 flavors. One is the white flavor and something like maize. Then anise, sesame, freshly cutted rosemary and thyme from the garden, cumin, black cumin, and saffron. Probably the best bread you can eat in Morocco, prepared from our ladies in these little ovens over there with a lot of love. Thank you very much, Mr. Abdelaziz. I'm happy that you enjoyed the soup. It's not a secret. The soup is composed with, first of all, with carrots, potatoes, zucchini, pumpkin, the cabbage, saffron, and on the top is a little sweet cream with pepper and with a little flower, either with scented geranium or with parsley. We are situated at 31 kilometers from Marrakesh, all straight on from Marrakesh to the Atlas Mountains. And there is a little yellow publicity on the road, so you cannot miss it. You just turn left for 3 kilometers. It's about 45 driving minutes from Marrakesh. Yes, for sure. We had a lot of VIPs. We had Anne-Sophie Mutter, which is a famous violinist in Germany, Elie Semoun, a famous comic from France. Then I'm very happy we had the Club des Chefs who were eating here. These are the cooking chefs from the heads of the world, like Juan, who is cooking for the Spanish royal family, Cristeto for Mr. Trump before, Ulrich Kerz for Angela Merkel, Guillaume Gomez for Mr. Macron, and at the end I'm very proud and happy. We have even gotten a handwritten thank you letter from the chief cook, Mark Flanagan, from the Buckingham Palace.